Hi there everybody. Oh my god, it is so cold. There's snow out on the ground. I meant to do this unboxing video yesterday, but there was workmen outside the back garden moving mains, water taps, or well, digging up my garden anyway. So that was a bit of a nightmare. It's so cold. My hands are, they look like 90 years old. I probably need some hand cream on as well. But it's so cold, but I'm determined I am not going to put the heating on until later this afternoon or this evening. So it's about 11:30 here now in the UK. So yeah, like I say, I really wanted to do this yesterday, but with one thing or another, I just did not get the chance. And so life throws you curveballs now and again. So I have recently become a subscriber to the card making kits from Lizi. I love to support small businesses, as you know. I'm on a design team for Relatively Thoughtful, and I love their digital paperclip kits, but I wanted something that was more shall we say physical. And after watching a few YouTube ladies, there's Christy Marcotte, there's Blonde on Blonde Cards, I think she's called. I'll link their channels in the description below so that you can see what I'm talking about. And obviously I have seen other channels as well that have done 10 cards, 1 kit, using the Love from Lizi subscription box. I have already amassed a collection of peel-offs. I absolutely adore these. Oh, they're not peel-offs, they're just star stickers that I've had on my stash. So she does all kinds of different peel-offs. There's the pinstripe, there's the straight, there's the hearts, stars and circles. She also does sway, but I don't think I've got many of them. I think I've only got a couple of sheets of those. But as you can see, I've already amassed a different array of colours from Lizi, and some of them I have doubled up, and I like to keep those on my shelf at arm's reach, and I can use them to embellish cards. I do like my Nivo drops and my gems and my sequins and all that kind of thing, but sometimes you just want something flat and without adding too much bulk with mirror cardstock. These are the perfect solution. So anyway, let's shut up babbling. This month I did have an extra collection of peel-offs. So what have we got here? So I've got the white hearts. So there's yeah, they're all mini hearts. So there's 3 different sizes, a large, a medium and a tiny. I've got the sway peel-offs here, look, and these are the pink glitter. I've got.
Sorry, I'm having trouble connecting to the internet.
Shut up.
It looks like there's an issue with the router and echo device, so try restarting them. Unplug both of them, then plug the router back in. Wait 30 seconds. Once the router
That's
is
Alexa.
connected to the internet, plug in the echo device.
Let's ignore her. I've got some of the red straight peel-offs and some of the gold. I think these are like a gold glitter circles. I'm not sure if I've already got these. I need to just go through my stash and see what I've got, but I absolutely adore them. Like I say, they come in handy, and those were an add-on. They're not part of the monthly subscription. So first of all, sorry, I can't remember what the collection's called. I can't remember what it's called. It doesn't say either. See if it says on the, I know there's stamps. Oh, it might say on the paper pack. Oh, To the Moon and Back it's called. Right, let's get rid of the box. And I'll start off with the what you get in the big bag. So I'm just struggling to get it all out at the minute. So let's start off.
Sorry, I'm having trouble connecting.
Oh,
to the
Alexa, you're
internet.
doing me.
It looks like there's an issue with the router and echo device, so try restarting them. Unplug both of them, then plug the router back in. Wait 30.
Right, so I've just shut her up. Right, so you get 8.5 by 11 cards. This is US letter size. These are perfect for A2 size cards. So there's, I hope you can see them okay. So there's a green, a light green, a dark green, a red, a pink, and a white. And from what I can gather, the white is Copic friendly, so it's like a super smooth colour, and it's a super smooth, so you can stamp and do your ink colouring. Right, you get an embossing folder this month, and that's a cut and emboss folder. So where these white hearts are here, it you run it through your die cutting machine and it cuts out the hearts as well. The last kit I had to try, I loved it so much. I did a video which I will link up here with all the cards that I made using that kit, but this is my first unboxing video. And this the last one I had was a very similar embossing folder, and it cut like a dream, just in my Gemini, in between the two clear plates, run it through, and it just cut like butter. It was beautiful, and it hasn't warped the folder at all. It's, yeah, looks lovely. We get a sticker sheet, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 stickers, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 of these little hearts, flurry of hearts there as well. So these are all sticker sheets, so you can put these on the inside of your cards, you can use it for your scrapbooking. Yeah, do what you like with those. So I'm just putting everything out as I see fit. I get, in the kit you get the red mirror hearts, beautiful, just slot them under there. You also get, I'll open the paper pack because these look adorable, and they're 6x6, it's a 6x6 paper pack, 24 single-sided. I love single-sided sheets because I could never, when I see people making cards and they cover up a pattern that's on the reverse that I really like, I'm like, no, don't do it. So I love it that they're single-sided. I'd rather pay more and have single-sided than, yeah. And they've got like a nice glossy finish to the papers. So I don't know whether you can stamp on this with like a dye ink, but a permanent ink you could use. So you get, oh, these are just beautiful, and it looks like gold glitter on the hearts. I'll just do a quick shufty through. So some of the busier patterns are going to go lovely with some of the more muted patterns. Oh, they're so cute. So you've got these images here match the stamp set, which I'll show you in a minute. Oh, actually I'll show you now. So these match, so you've got an idea of how to colour your stamps as well if you want to. So if you could keep that sheet and then colour your stamps. So I might do a video using the stamps and colouring. So I'll just carry on. But yeah, they're so pretty. I love these papers. Perfect for Valentine's Day or not. You don't have to use them for Valentine's Day. They could be for birthday cards for your bestie, you know. I'm gonna attempt to get this back in the packet, but I don't think it's gonna happen. Oh, I always struggle. I like to keep everything nice, and I don't think that's going to work. Never mind, I won't put it back in the packet just yet. And then you get all these ephemera pieces. I have no idea how many's in here, but there is an absolute shed load. So I'm going to pull out all the... I don't want to lose any of them. Look at that little tiny piece there. And they're quite a substantial weight as well. I'd say they're about 250 GSM, something like that. Might be the same weight as the cardstock, 220. But there's loads of like different little pieces as well. Let's grab that piece of white cardstock so you can see them. Right. So there's loads of these little pieces for, oh, look at that heart. It's like a heart box of chocolates. Oh, there's a little fella there, look. Oh, and another little fella, and he's got different colour hair. There's a Cupid's bow. I'm not going to go through all of them, but I'm just like, little bouquet of roses. There's another little bouquet of flowers there. Oh, that's the same as the stamp. How lovely is that? So I think somebody has taken the time to stamp all these out, colour them, photocopy them, and then die cut them. How amazing is that? I love it that you've got more than one image. It's the same image, but there's probably different hair colours, skin colours on the people. Say the people. Loads of floral elements. Oh, there's another one there. That's the same. I love them. I absolutely love these ephemera pieces. And then I'll just chuck a few on here. Oh, they're sitting in the moon. Look how adorable. They're so sweet. And then you get these sentiments as well. You're my favourite person. Together we have it all. You're my favourite person. Oh, look at these macaroons. Oh, it's just the gift that keeps on giving, this kit. Do more of what you love. You make my heart smile. Together we have it all. I've read that one. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. I want to sing a song, but I don't want to get copyright struck. Yeah, just absolutely gorgeous. So I'll put them all back in a moment. Right. Then you get oh sorry, that's the packet for those. So the stamp set, it's the same as those sentiments that I've just read out, but there is a to moon and back. Oh no, sorry, they are a bit different. Love you lots. I'm so thankful for you. It was always you. To the moon and back. You make me so happy. I'm gonna make my husband a Valentine's Day card, and then all these cute, adorable images. There's I think they're called Lash Boy and Girl, because they've got big eyelashes. And I love this one here where they're cuddling. She's sort of lying on his lap. I used to do that with my husband once upon a time. And then, you know, age and bad legs. Right, then you get this embellishment bag, and inside you've got loads of so we've got these lovely little gems. So there's some gold coloured crystals there, some green gems there, and some red heart gems. Oh, there's 2 strips of those. Right, you get some wooden embellishment pieces. I like to you get 4. So there's I'll just grab that there. Actually, I'll just put that on there. So you get 4 pieces, and they're wooden pieces, so you can just dip them in your ink pad, ink blend onto them. With the snowflakes in the last kit, I just sort of tinged the edges of the wooden snowflakes with a mini ink dauber. There's some pieces here that need pushing out on these hearts, but they've been laser cut, that's obvious, and they are beautiful. Love those hearts. You get some dies. I can't wait to use these because they look so adorable. A bit fancy as well. So it's cuts out a heart and then punctures the word love on the inside. So I can't wait to try that. And then you also get four other little two little hearts, and it looks like a flower and a little flourish there that match. So you can put the heart, that flower over the O. There's the hearts that can be laid over the top of that, and that flurry there. So yeah, I will have a card making tutorial regarding that. Right, these I've seen YouTubers put them in shaker cards. These are rose petals, or yeah, I think they're rose petals, and they're dried. So I'm not quite sure what to do with those. I'm thinking a shaker card as well, because I'm not sure if there's a bit of a scent to them. Let me just open the bag. No, there's no scent really to them. I suppose you could spray them with a bit of scent and then put them in a shaker card if you wanted to. Or just put them as confetti in, you know how you put confetti in a card and then when they open it, they pull it out the envelope and open the card and confetti goes everywhere. You could perhaps do that with a card for a special card for a special someone. That's an idea. You also get a sequin mix. This is just a sample bag. Lizi does, I believe, do full sample bags, full bags in her shop. I'll link the shop in the description box below if you're interested and want to go and have a look. I'm not affiliated and I'm not on the design team. This is just something that I've bought with my own money, and I want to support a small business. So yeah, so there are I know that her sequin mixes each month are colour themed to best match the kit, and you can buy a bigger bag. And then you also get a load of ribbon. I made a load of cards with the last kit, as you'll see in that video, that link up here, and I've still got loads of ribbon left over. There's a lovely pink, like cerise pink. I don't know how long that is. I'd say that's about a metre. Yeah, it's a metre because that's 50 centimetres. I folded it in half and measured it on my mat, and it's 50 centimetres. So you must get a metre of each. And then there's a black. There's like a claret red, like a deep dark red. There's like a lovely sage green. And then there's a white. White is always useful, and white goes with white and black goes with everything. So that's it. I'm absolutely over the moon. I am going to do my best to come up with 10 cards and join in on the 10 cards one kit. I've got some Spellbinders monthly subscription boxes. I haven't subscribed to the subscription with Spellbinders because they've changed it, and I liked the original kits where you got stamps and dies. They have reduced the price, but you don't get the stamps and dies this time, so I have not subscribed. But I'm trying to pick up some of the previous kits that are still in stock, and yeah, I'm going to do that. Right, that's enough babbling. I'm going to clear this lot away, tidy it all up, and then I will get cracking on shooting a video making 10 cards. So I'll see you all soon. Take care for now. Bye bye.